Dito sa malaking plastic na to. And then, it looks like this. Ting, 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 ting. Woo! Big girl! What are you doing?
It's soup.
Soup? Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. Sobrang excited ko sa video natin na to today guys. Kasi meron akong i-share sa inyo. And as you can see from the title, merong nagpadala ng alahas. And oh my god, I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Ayan, nasa loob ng plastic na to. So a couple of weeks ago, this jewelry company named YAFEINI Jewelry, ilalagay ko yung pangalan dito, who reached out to me asking kung gusto ko dang itry yung kanilang jewelry. And sino ba naman ako to say no? So of course, I said yes. So a couple of days ago, nakatanggap ako ng tawag from the courier company asking for my full address. Kasi yung address na binigay ko sa kanila is yung Parcel Collect at hindi yung home address. Anyways, na-deliver siya kahapon, guys. And I'm very, very excited na i-share to sa inyo. Kasi first time ko nakatanggap ng, guys, regalo. And mind you, hindi na to siya proper unboxing, guys. Kasi, pagkatanggap ko kahapon, hindi na makapaghintay sa atin nyo. Inopen ko na kaagad kasi gustong-gusto ko nang makita. Pero hindi ko pa siya sinuot, guys, kasi gusto kong itry to siya sa harap nyo para makita nyo rin. O, diba? So, nandito na siya. So, nakalagay siya dito sa malaking plastic na to. And then, it looks like this. Ting, ting, ting. Ayan. So, yan yung company name. YAFEINI Custom Jewelry. So, this company specializes in customizing and personalizing your jewelries, guys. Kaya, nakita ko sa inyo yung pinili ko, guys. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang packaging. Hindi siya, yung parang cheap na box. Ayan. And then, ting, 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 ting. Oh my God! So, ito yung laman, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my God. You know what makes it very special, guys? It's because, tingnan nyo yung pinalagay ko. Super cute niya. Mom and Paris. Mom, tapos my heart dito, tapos my Paris. Oh my. Ala! Sobrang ganda niya, guys. There you go. B, tingnan niyo, B. Ayan. So, 3 layers siya na necklace. So, tingnan nyo, guys. Mom, heart, Paris. It makes it more special. So, pwede nyong ipalagay yung mga pangalan ng mga jowa nyo, kung may jowa kayo. Pero kung wala kayong jowa, guys, pwede naman ilagay yung mga pangalan ng loved ones nyo, diba? Pangalan ng mama mo o anak mo. Kaya, super ganda talaga. I really love it. I'll put all the links in the description box below para ma-check nyo, guys. Pero, sa website nila, sobrang daming style talaga, guys, na mapipili nyo. So, yung pinili ko na style is Melissa, then Heart, and then Thomas. Ipapakita ko dito, guys, sa screen. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this beautiful necklace, guys. So, ito pala siya, hindi to siya real gold. It is made of 925 sterling silver, and then yellow gold plated. So, yun yung pinili ko. So, as you can see dito sa ipapakita ko sa inyo sa screen, dalawang option dito, guys, para sa style na to. Meron silang copper or sterling silver. So, yung pinili ko ay sterling silver. Sterling silver is a bit more expensive than copper. And then, yellow gold na yellow gold plated. Kasi mahilig talaga ako sa yellow gold, guys. Lahat talaga ng mga jewelries ko yellow gold. Kaya ito. And then this one here, the chain pala niya, adjustable siya. So from 16 inches, and then may extra siya na link, guys. Ayan, oh. So ayan siya, from here to here, that's another 4 inches, guys. So you can wear it pang dito, parang dito talaga. Ayan, the shortest way. And then, pwede siyang mas mahaba, ganyan, pabitay. Super cute talaga. At yung type ng chain na ginamit nila, guys, is ito yung tinatawag nila na roller chain. Ayan. Sobrang like ko siya, guys, kasi even though hindi talaga siya totoong parang 10K or 14K or 18K gold talaga, kahit gold-plated lang siya, sobrang shiny niya. And also, hindi naman to siya magta-tarnish kasi, ang tawag dito, sterling silver naman to siya. Anyways, I'm going to do a full review talaga kapag in 2 weeks time. Kasi isusuot ko siya every day. Ayan, para malaman nyo. And also guys, meron pala tayong discount code na ipapakita ko dito sa ating screen. So if ever lang naman na gusto nyong mag-try guys, kung gusto nyong itry yung nameplate na necklaces nila, ayan, sobrang ganda talaga guys. Pwede nyong gamitin yung discount code na yan para makamura kayo. The best thing that I like about this website too guys is they offer free shipping and free returns. So saan ka pa guys? Free shipping and sobrang bilis ng shipping pa nila guys. I think it's worth it talaga. Ayan. I might go back and, get something else. Kasi, yung plano ko sana is yung isa lang. Ipapalagay ko lang sana is Paris. Pero, nung nakita ko to siya, parang nag-heart-heart ang aking mata. Kasi it's been a long time na gusto kong itry yung layered na necklace. And ito na yung opportunity ko talaga, guys. Kaya ito na talaga yung binili ko. So cute. Ayan. Anyways, papakita na natin guys ha. Isusuot ko para makita nyo kung gaano siya tingnan kapag nasuot na. So, this is it. Pansit. So, this is yung pinakamahabang setting niya guys. Yung 20-inch. Ayan. O, diba? Sobrang cute niya talaga guys. I can't wait to start wearing this out. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya. And you know what? Dito pala sa website na to, guys, they also offer yung mga bar necklace, yung photo necklace, yung pwede nyong ipalagay yung photo sa necklace nyo. And then they also offer bangles, anklets, earrings, rings, lahat na lang. Meron talaga sila, guys. Yung sa akin, ito siya. As mentioned, this is sterling silver. Pero this website also offers 10K and 14K. Pero obviously, mahal na yun sila guys. Kasi totoong gold na talaga yun. But for me, this is good enough. I think, sobrang cute lang talaga niya guys. Oh, diba? Pakita ko ng malapitan. Especially sa white na top. Sobrang ganda niyang tingnan. So, i-try na naman natin guys kung yung pinaka-short na settings. We'll see kung ano yung mas maganda tingnan sa akin. So, I had to change my top guys kasi pag yung maiksi na setting yung ating gagamitin, yung itong sa taas ay napupunta sa ilalim ng shirt. Kaya, ayan. Anyways, that's what it looks like guys. Sobrang cute niya guys, no? Let me know what you think about it guys. Hi, Nak! Hi, Nak! Ito ang ating baby girl, guys. Oh, hinihintay nila ako kasi pupunta kami ng park. Nak, no? At si Mami, video-video pa. Kaya, ayan. What I really like about it, guys, is that may option ka na short or long. Ganyan. Para ma-match mo kung ano yung style mo. But for me, I think I prefer this way, guys. Yung short lang siya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, diba? Super cute. Susuotin ko na to siya ngayon, guys. Habang nandito na siya, susuotin ko na lang siya. And again, I think I'm going to wear it like for straight 2 weeks para masabi ko sa inyo kung nag-tarnish ba siya or anong reaction ng skin ko dito. O, ipapakita ko lang yung laman ng box pala. So, sa loob ng box, merong mga papers na ganyan. Personalized jewelry. YAFEINI. Sa loob din merong cloth na gagamitin mo para linisan yung jewelry mo. Para it will stay shiny and beautiful. Ayan. Sobrang nice niya talaga, guys. I really love it. Again, I'll put all the links in the description box below. Para kung gusto nyo namang itry, guys, I really like it. By the look of it, sobrang nakukitan talaga ako. Kaya kung gusto nyong itry, again, meron tayong 20% off kung gagamitin nyo yung discount code natin. And if ever na mag-try kayo, guys, let me know kung anong experience nyo and all. I would love to hear from you, guys. Anyways, that's it, guys. Alis na tayo kasi ang ating baby girl ay very sleepy na at gusto namin siyang dalhin sa park kasi anong oras na. I'll see you soon. So guys, we are on our way to the park now with Daddy Mike and Baby Paris.
Baby Paris.
It's Baby Paris. Where are you going? You're going to the park. Paris is here. Woohoo! Diretso siya kaagad oh. Siniwan ko muna si Daddy Mike at saka si Paris saglit. Pupunta ako doon sa shops. Check ko kung open sila kasi hindi kami nakadala ng tubig. Wala kaming water for Paris. Kaya check natin yung may mga shops naman dyan sa harap. I don't know if they're open kasi weekend guys. But we'll see. Paris on the slide. Woo! Big girl. Someone's selling ice cream now. Under there, oh. Come. Paris, do it. Hold on. Woohoo! Strong girl.
You can do it.
Why?
Okay, one more. Okay, you hold on.
It's too high, Anna.
Whoa!
Wow!
Paris, hold on. Paris can do it. There. You ready? Come jump.
Hi guys! So it's now 4 o'clock ng hapon ay nakauwi na kami. Kakauwi lang talaga namin. At diretso na ako dito sa kitchen guys kasi gutom na talaga ako. And Paris is sleeping in the pram. And gusto ko sanang lutuin to guys. Yung noodles na to. Ayan. Parang quick chow ba sa Pilipinas. Pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, itry ko daw yung dumplings. Tingnan nyo. Yan, yung frozen dumplings ba? At sobrang sakit ng paa ko, guys. Pauwi na kami, tapos nagpaano lang ako pag uwi. I took my shoes off kasi sobrang dami ng blisters. Oh! Pati si Daddy Mike, guys, nagpaan kami. Kaming dalawa talaga yung nagpaa pag uwi namin. Sobrang enjoy ng ating baby girl, guys, as expected. At alam nyo, guys, merong isang bata doon ba? Siguro mga ano na yun siya, mga 8 years old, ganun. Kasama niya yung daddy niya sa park. Pero yung daddy niya nakaupo lang tapos nagbabasa ng libro. Naawa talaga ako dun sa bata, guys, kasi umiyak talaga siya sa harapan ng daddy niya. Kasi nagmamakaawa siya na maglaro din yung daddy niya with her. Pero yung daddy niya sobrang busy sa pagbabasa, ayaw maglaruan. Alam niyo sabi ng bata, guys? Sabi niya na you never play. Ganun. Sobrang iyak pa niya. Nakatingin talaga ako kay Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi very lucky ako. Very lucky si Paris. Kasi si Daddy Mike ay hands-on talaga. Nilalaro talaga niya si Paris. Very patient talaga si Daddy Mike pagdating kay Paris sa park. Nilalaro niya talaga hanggang mapagod si Paris. Si Paris na yung magsasabi na uuwi na tayo kasi I'm tired. Ganun. Guys, kawawa talaga yung baby. Baby, what na?
Baby Tino.
Sing na ating baby girl, guys.
Get it.
What would you like to get?
I get it one.
Your fish?
I get it.
Okay.
Get it.
Okay, ali. Wala, karon na. The fish is sad?
I know.
Why?
Come on, Paris. Oh. What? No. Telling me.
Huh?
At this hat.
What is that? Is the fish moving?
Who's missing?
What's the name of your fish, na?
Liquor.
Unicorn. Do you like your fish? Do you?
Oh, okay, this is not fish.
Nilalagay niya yung mga plastic na fish na.
This fish.
Oh,
That's liquor pink.
pink. Hindi mo na magkisi-kisi na. Galutaw.
That is fish one. Fish three.
Yeah.
That is fish two. Now yours, parrots.
There's another one there na po. Fish.
It's in the bedroom.
Yeah. On the bed. Where did you put it?
I put it in the mirror.
It's gone.
The far away.
Huh?
The far away.
What happened to it?
Okay, let's go find it.
Si Daddy Mike pala natin, guys, ay nasa sala. Nanonood ng kanyang football. Ayan. Super cute ng, ano na to, hair clip.
Kiss your mommy. Kiss your
Yes,
mom.
my love.
Kiss your mommy.
It's your mommy.
It's a baby. There is a baby.
Could you sing a song for the baby? Baby fish?
No. This is enough.
Hmm?
This is one.
Is there a song for a fish?
This is a baby fish for baby.
For baby. Is that Paris's? They haven't heard you shouting, Bob.
Huh?
They haven't heard you shouting.
No, I'm not going to. You just missed it.
Sobrang saya ni Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi ang kanyang favorite team, hindi favorite team. Yung kanyang team talaga sa football ay nanalo. Ayan, St. Kilda. Oh, no. Have a look at our flower, guys. Oh, sobrang bukadkad na siya. Ang laki-laki ng mga bulaklak. Tingnan nyo. Nag-bend na yung stem dito. Tingnan nyo. Kasi sobrang bigat ng bulaklak pa. Sobrang laki. Kitchen time again, guys. Nagluluto si Daddy Mike ng dinner namin. Oh, actually, this is not for dinner, is it? What's this one now? Pang snacks niya bukas. Yung mga lunches niya ba, niluluto niya. What's for dinner, Daddy? Daddy is cooking tonight, guys.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh. I took my contacts off already, guys. Oh, kasi sobrang nag-dry na yung mata ko. Yung suot ko pa lang kanina, yung clear lang na contact lens. So, walang kulay. Clear na clear lang siya. Ang ating baby girl ay nasa kwarto, nanonood ng kanyang mga cartoons, guys. And ayaw niyang magpahawak. Sabi ko, tulungan natin si Daddy Mike sa sa Daddy?
That's just the sauce.
Sa kusina.
But I'm meant for baby Santa.
What did you say? What did you say, na?
Water bottle milk.
Water bottle milk. Okay, Mama will go get water bottle milk.
A cacao.
Okay, let's go find. No, I think I can't find your water bottle. Nak, maybe it's in the car.
No, it's not in the car.
Do you want to go check in the car? Let's go. Go check in the car. Check namin sa car, guys, yung water bottle niya. Naghihingi na siya ng sobrang saya ko, guys, kasi si Paris, lately, Paris has been asking for food. Did you notice it, Daddy? Yeah. I'm very happy kasi naghahanap talaga siya ng pagkain ngayon. Before, yung sa kanya ay dede lang ng dede. Ngayon, naghahanap siya ng milk. Pag binibigyan namin siya ng fruit, kinakain niya na. So maybe, you reckon that thing's helping a little bit? The vitamins or something?
I think she's just...
Or maybe she's just changing. You know what I mean? It always happens, guys. But, whatever the reason, I'm very happy na si Paris ay kumakain. Super happy. Anyhow, guys, I'm going to share with you our positive quote of the day before natin i-end ang ating video. So, ayan. So, it says, "This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine." There you go. After nito, kakain na kami ng dinner and all. And then, we're going to have a relaxing night. What time is it now, Daddy? Oh, it's 7:48 na ng gabi. Shall we watch movie tonight? Yeah, we'll watch movie tonight. Yes, honey? Come here. Come, Mama will help. Oh, here you, baby.
Come.
Oh, Daddy. Did you see my labot, guys? Yes? Ayan, tinatawag na tayo ni boss. What are you doing?
It's soup.
Soup! Ginawang soup ang kanyang milk. Good job, my love.
Soup and yummy.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy?
Soup.
Oh, soup. Tell our friends, B, we didn't find your water bottle. I-moves na ito itong beautiful flower. So, we didn't find our water bottle. Baka iniwan niya sa school, guys.
It's in the car.
Yeah, it's not in the car, yeah? You checked in the car.
I can sit down.
Yeah.
This is because shop is closed.
The shop is closed. That's right. Kasi guys, nung pumunta kami sa sasakyan, hinanap nga namin yung water bottle niya pero wala doon. Tapos, umupo siya sa car seat niya. Punta daw kami ng shop para bumili.
Peppa Pig, my Peppa Pig.
Okay, Mama will change it to Peppa Pig. Tapos, sabi ko, close na ang shop. Nak, bukas na tayo pupunta ng shop. Bili tayo. Kaya yun, kaya sabi niya, na-close na daw ang shop. Hello, where's the remote, Nak? We gonna buy a new one, Nak? What
A bike Peppa one.
A Peppa one? What color is it?
Peppa.
Purple? Yeah. Maghahanap kami ng ano guys, yung may hawakan ba? Kasi marami din sa inyo nag-comment na bakit daw hindi ko bilhan si Paris ng water bottle na may parang strap ba para malagay ni Paris dito sa kanyang liig. Ganyan. Pag lumalabas kami, instead na bibitin niya, super inconvenient ba sa kanya. Tapos wala naman siya sa mga shops ngayon guys, sa Coast, Safeway, wala naman silang ganoon. And alam nyo naman na lockdown pa rin kami dito. So yung mga shops na nagbebenta ng mga ganoon ay close pa. Kaya hindi kami makakabili. Anyways, we'll buy Paris a new one tomorrow if may makita kami sa supermarket. Nak, no? What color would you like, Nak? What color would you like?
Purple.
Purple. Titi. I love you, Anak. I love you, Anak. Daddy. Say I love you to Paris and see if she'll respond. Say I love you to Paris and see if she will respond.
Paris. I love you. I love you.
No.
Thank you. Apa, Daddy?
Suot-suot ko pa rin yung ating necklace, guys. Tingnan nyo. Wow! Super gold talaga. Tingnan, guys. Mamahalin! Oh, I super love it. Ayan. But I'll take it off now, guys. Kasi bedtime na soon. Anyways, maraming salamat, guys, sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung vlog natin for today. Before natin i-end, of course, meron tayong shout-out. And the first shout-out goes to Josie Carzano, of Bohol, Hazel Pasatiempo, Chari Salazar. Shout out to Alexa and Eileen Suganob sa Iloilo City. Also, Carriedo Duarez and Salazar family. Shout out to Maria Himora. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia. 80s Antoha from Cebu. Shout out to Faushea Baniel, Edna Bartulay, Helena Potong, Arlene De Torres, Maria Luz Florimonte, Mad Barat, Vicky Inot, Marivic Valcorza, Cherry Ramos and family, Hilda Prince, Donna Ladera, Norberta Nuno, Lorna Gonzaga, Janice Balani, Ruby De La Rosa, Little Miss Isay, Jing De Asis, Gemeline Tato, Presi Kunsad, Jojo, Hannah Saromines, Joanne Owano, Marlene De Malanta, Emiat Vlog, Chari Tamayo, Patricia Mondoyo, Irene Kilang, and Maricar Castaneda. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Give thumbs up na. Thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
close.